Lip flops have always had a relatively bad reputation in the footwear market. Blame the cheaply made models that rip apart soon after you step out the door. But as fashion evolved, so did flip-flops. Now there are hundreds of different types of flip-flops that can be worn for every occasion. You name it, Havaianas, Teva, and Reef are just a few of the household names in today's market. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 flip-flops for men and women on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1, Teva Women's Ola Wahoo Flip-Flop. The Teva Ola Wahoo is a stylish pair of women's flip-flops with unique straps. The footbed is made of foot-forming material, taking the shape of your foot over time. While the topsole is cushioned enough for comfort, the straps can get uncomfortable on the skin. They can cause chafing, especially when they get wet. The footbed dries relatively quickly, but not their decorative straps. They will stay damp for a few hours, in which case you might experience discomfort. These Teva flip-flop straps may be appealing, but they're pretty difficult to put on. They require a lot of getting used to, and you need to make a few adjustments to get the right fit. On the upside, they provide additional support, complementing the foot-forming footbed. Like the Teva Mush 2, the Teva Ola Wahoo is reliable for casual daily use. It works best on concrete pavements but not on challenging terrains. If you're hiking or treading rivers, you might want to check out other pairs with more sophisticated traction. Number 2. Reef Women's Sandy Flip-Flop. Reef brings sustainability to the masses with their flip-flops like this pair that have a 100% recyclable plastic webbing. And we couldn't be more excited. Designed to be worn at the beach and during water sports, these shoes have an incorporated triple-density footbed for multi-dimensional traction. Combined with anatomical arch support, they provide you with comfort that's hard to come by. The EVA construction and the rubber sole transform the flip-flops into a water-friendly bargain that can withstand all types of spritz and splashes. What's more, there are no traces of PVC in their construction. Coral reefs and marine creatures will surely appreciate that. Number 3, Teva Mush 2 Flip-Flops. The Teva Mush 2 flip-flops for women are an updated classic. Teva has incorporated recycled material, making the sole and strap lighter and more sustainable. An additional observation is that the Mush 2 has a slightly narrower sole too, but the price is still quite low and the durability seems to be the same as long as they are the real, genuine product. Suitable for casual everyday use around the city, they have a foot-forming footbed, low-key straps made of recyclable materials, and lightweight soles. They give just a little bit after constant, initial use. So, ordered a size or a half step down. These Teva flip-flops are a budget-friendly option for women. Like all flip-flops, these won't provide excessive comfort, but they make up for them on convenience. The Mush top sole is designed to form and remember the shape of your foot over time. Meanwhile, the outsole has lightweight EVA foam. Number 4. Teva Men's Mush 2 Flip-Flop. Teva Mush flip-flops are among the most popular for a good reason. The Mush 2 is a standard, affordable pair that has a durability beyond the price tag. It's ideal for everyday use and has tested well while camping, sailing and during beach activities. As far as thong flip-flops go, the EVA sole and canvas upper of this Teva make it one of the most comfortable too. The Mush upper sole, a soft proprietary blend of foam, molds to the shape of one's feet after a few days of use. There's little speculation required when considering this model. Leather alternatives will always be more appealing options when minimizing sweat is a priority. The treads are not especially impressive, though not mediocre by any means. Otherwise, there's good value found in these Mush flip-flops. We have thoroughly tested, and read reviews from other experts and users. Number 5. Havaianas Men's Brazil Logo Flip-Flop Sandal. Nothing screams Brazil more than soccer, samba, sunny beaches, and a pair of Havaianas. Omnipresent in nearly every Brazilian household and literally throughout the world, this famous piece of footwear has since 1962 evolved from an ordinary local pair of sandals to a worldwide fashion icon. Made of heavy-duty and super soft rubber with a cushioned insole, the Havaianas were inspired by the traditional Japanese sandal known as zori, whose soles are made of rice straw. The Havaianas' signature rice pattern rubber soles ensure slip resistance, durability, and comfort. By the way, that's how you can spot an authentic pair of Havaianas from a knockoff. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.